Yes, today we are really blessed to have SHEMBE UNYAZI LWEZULU with us for the 12th year. We go a long way with the Nazareth Baptist Church and UNYAZI LWEZULU. SHEMBE's teachings are very profound when it comes to protecting wildlife, protecting nature conservation, and these are the things that really touches our heart, and we continue to give praise to UNYAZI LWEZULU because of his leadership in uniting people, in bringing people together from all walks of life. So, great respects to UNYAZI LWEZULU. Yabonga kakhulu.